cut. There was no,
Basic.
when it was feeding into the corner rounding, there was no marks on the backside.
Okay, but no, because the marks on the back, you're gonna see them on the second pass only. Because right now, even if it marks it, it's the core of the material. You're not really gonna see. You mean this?
Yeah, okay.
That's what you meant, right?
Yeah,
the scratch.
Yeah.
You're not gonna see it on the core.
Okay.
So it needs to be on second pass on edge.
Here.
Exactly. And you'd see it right away before the corner rounding. So that
Before
clearly.
the corner round. Okay.
Yes. But and now every time it stops, right? Right before the corner rounding. It's so much air that's being used that is just not enough with the leak. Because we have this severe leak, right? And if I close them, will it still work? Give me some tape. Blue tape, ideally. Tweaking it right now because it's a bit twitchy. It needs to be tweaked. An inch. That's it. Oh no! It's brittle. Lower round. So that's why it might be an error because I took the air out. No. So then I should stop them as well. Perform empty. Probably I have to perform empty first. So.
Will that push all the pieces out
Yeah,
the end?
empty machine. Okay. So this is good. Let's see. Let's see. And now it's a little bit further. And there's no leak. Round. So this is the round then, yeah.
Upper round.
But it's
So this would be.
they're both called upper round. The error, but it's not here anymore.
No, but it says lower round.
Hold.
You have first pass trimming, second pass front and back. Does it actually, like if we turn it off and run it on first pass, does that bypass it altogether from erroring out?